Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Iconic Advisor, and for those of you who are watching for the very first time, welcome to this channel. I appreciate those of you who have been liking and commenting and sharing the videos. I've also met persons who have been watching the videos, had no clue they were on. Welcome to the family and thank you. Remember to subscribe, guys. All 139 of you, I appreciate you. Please share with your family and your friends. And guys, for those of you who have not yet subscribed, you need to subscribe to the channel and you have about 3 seconds to do so. 3, 2, 1. Thank you guys for subscribing. Remember guys, you can also comment on the information or content that you'd like to see or hear here, or recommendations from you guys. That's very important, so I appreciate it. Now, today's topic about general insurance, and some of the content that are shared here are based on either my experience or a colleague or a client's experience. Now, January 28th, I had an accident, and you want to make sure that the riders that are being offered in your package, not because it's discounted, of course your no claim bonus important and other bonuses depending on where you work, you get extra bonus, but what I want to narrow down on are the riders that are being offered in the event that you break your windscreen, in the event of an accident, roadside assistance. All of that good stuff are important. Now, I shifted from a broker most recently, a little less than a year. It's about a year, approaching a year, that I made that shift. And when I was shifting, the representative from the company said that I was making a huge mistake and that I would regret it. Of course, I thought, they didn't want to lose me, so they were going to say anything so I could stick around and stay with the company, which I had no problem. But I was being offered a discount at this other company, so I made the shift. Thinking about budgeting, of course. But budgeting, you have to be smart in terms of what you're getting in terms of quantity and quality. Now, I met in the accident, and this was a 3-car collision. So one car hit one, we were at a standstill. She hit one car, the car hit me, but of course I was quick enough in terms of my thinking to make sure that I, sink a little bit harder on the brakes so my car didn't move. Of course, I sustained minor injuries in terms of just back pain, muscle spasm. So of course we went to the doctor. I was with my first son, and we made a report. So I did a police report and I did an estimate with the dealer, and of course I was advised by my insurance company to get an assessor's report. Stick a pin there. No, you want to make sure that the assessors that you're using, that they are approved and they're on the list of the company that you're claiming on. Because I was a bit hesitant when they asked me to do that, because I was wondering, isn't it the persons that, that third-party insurance would want to do that? They said that they would have made the process quicker. So I went to an approved assessor that I have used before to do evaluation on my car. And upon doing so, I paid $13,500. And of course, I submitted all the documents. And all the documents, guys, at the scene of the accident, you want to make sure that you're getting videos, pictures, and the other parties involved in the accident particulars. So you want to make sure that you're not distorting the process, quarreling and cussing out, that you are as calm as possible. For me, I was grateful for life. I was in an accident and stepped out of the accident with all my limbs in place. Now, you want to also make sure that they're witnesses and that you get their contact and their names for the process of making your statement and submitting your documents to the insurance company. You want to make your case, and you want to make sure that it is clear and concise in terms of claiming, in case the person would have somewhat want to not say, they're not honoring the claim. You want to make sure that you have all of those. We met in an accident with someone who, after the second day, submitted everything, and she was not contesting everything. So give thanks to that and respect to her. No, you In the process now, I realized that the company that I'm making a claim on, because I wasn't making it on my company, I heard that process would have been faster too if you claim on your company and then they could reimburse. What I wanted to avoid was my renewal will be up in another 2 months. And if they had delayed the process, in which they actually have, that I would have lost my no claim bonus and also my premium would have gone up. Mark you, after the reimbursement process, they would have actually given me back my no claim bonus and also I would have gotten a refund of the excess amount that I would have paid. Didn't want to do that, so I wanted to go on to the third party company. You want to make sure, guys. For me, they said that because I've used the wrong assessor, that they would have sent an assessor, and I made it clear that the car would have been accessible Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. I was in my 4th week and no assessor call, and in my mind, this was now a delay tactic in terms of not fixing my car. Now you're looking at February, March, April, May. So we were at the back end of May and my car was still not fixed because of an error that could have been avoided if my insurance company had provided the updated list, which the third party company was saying this list was updated 2 years ago. So all of that long wait, 4 weeks, would have been avoided. So you know what, I asked for a deal direct letter. And what that allows me to do was to contact the third party insurance company directly once you had that reference number. So I just felt like I was now on my own. I had to do the follow-up. I had to do, making sure that my claim is being honored in a timely manner. Now, of course, I had a friend who her claim was honored within a month of her accident, and she's with a broker. Had a co-worker who his was honored within 3 weeks, including, he had back injury. And I said, no, this is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. So I had, she hooked me up with someone who was in a supervisory position, and they're saying, no, you don't have to do another assessment. And of course, they expedited the transaction because all the documents were submitted from the 9th of February. It's not like I delayed the process to be treated this way. Now, that being said, I went and, I called her back 4 days after, asking her the favor to submit it, and she said it would be done. She said that the letter was sent, the release letter was sent to my insurance company, and that they were the ones, I should, contact them. They were the ones who were supposed to inform me. They did not after 4 days. So I went in, and of course, no attitude at this point. I'm, frustrated, but I still kept calm, signed the document so that the money can be transferred so the car can be fixed. So at the point of frustration, no, we were finally looking like the wheels were turning to getting that car sorted out. So you want to make sure, one, that on the accident scene, as I said before, all the documents, relevant documents, your fitness, your registration, insurance, your driver's license, videos and pictures of the accident, the position of the car, don't move until you take them pictures, and also that you have witnesses on the scene. The person that is in your car, my son could not have been a witness because he was a part of it, so you want to make sure that persons who are passing by or persons who saw the accident. In our defense, we had 2 police officers, thanks to the police officers from the Ferry police station who were present at the accident. They saw the whole thing. Now, with that experience, I hope that helps, guys. You can comment in the comment section based on your experience. If you want a little bit more details, then of course you would have to inbox me at the Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp for those of you who have my contact numbers. So continue to share these videos. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Ask your family and friends to join, guys. Build up the subscription now, because this is good content that is normally being shared here and relevant to also things that happen in our lives. Remember, guys, to stay safe, to stay focused, and to stay strong. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.